than yours? Oh, so when you... Okay, go ahead. Oh, okay.
Very good in y'all.
So when you 79,
I'll just take the bus.
yeah, 79.
I just take the
All the way, that's 79, and then past Lexington and
Yeah, go down, yeah, because York is the last, then 3rd Avenue, then 1st, then 2nd,
and then York,
and York.
and
I'm
then
not too sure if 79 go all the way down to
yeah,
York.
70.
It does?
Yeah, 79.
I should put your feet down.
Put your feet down.
buddy.
Stop that.
So that's what I'm going to.
Yeah, 79. Then you just walk to 83, but it's short.
Yeah. It go right down? It does? I'll ask.
Asher, if you're
You guys going down? Okay.
hurry up. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I know, so I keep yelling at you. I feel like I'm yelling at you.
No, because it's so loud and I'm like trying to talk.
Laughing, Mama.
Wow, look at those wheels.
Go, guys. Thank you. You're gonna stay with Cam?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's over on the other.
This is the Scenic elevator at the Mistiness Hall of Ocean Life at the Museum of Natural History in New York City. It's a nice elevator. Dover, capacity 2,100 pounds. Very nice elevator again. Okay, that's it. Okay.